let's jump on over into Tax 99 so I can show you around. So here's what it looks like within Tax 1099 after you've signed up. Then you can go to Forms and pick the form that you want to fill out. In this case, we're going to do the 1099 NEC for non-employer compensation. And then you're first going to add a payer, which is you. So this is who is making the payments, the person who did it, whether you're an individual, maybe you're a sole proprietor and you don't have an EIN, then you would be an individual, or you can fill it out as a business. If you are an LLC or a corporation, you can go ahead and put your business information, your business EIN into this form, and this will pick it up for every 1099 that you send. You will not have to re-enter this payer information over and over again if you're sending from the same business. So once you've filled out all of that, you're going to click submit, and it's going to show you what it looks like on that 1099 NEC. So you can go ahead and review it, make sure everything's correct, and then you can add your recipients from this screen. So what you're going to do is, again, same thing. You're going to determine if that recipient is an individual or if they are a business, and you are going to put in their information. If you have their Social Security, then it's an individual. And if they gave you an EIN, then you would enter in a business. And you're just going to put their information in here just like you did your own. Now, there are options too. If you want to do this automatically or have them fill it out, you can send W-9s through Tax 1099 as well to have them fill out their information. And if you're not sure if they need to get a 1099 at all, there's some great help articles here that will walk you through who you need to send a 1099 to make sure that you are meeting all of the requirements. So then you can enter in the amount of money that you paid them. Again, you can go ahead and actually sync this with your accounting platform if you want to, and it will pull in a lot of this information. In most cases, you're not going to have a federal tax withheld because they are a contractor, so that's probably not going to apply. So you'll see here at the bottom a place for state name. If this form is applicable for a particular state, you'll be able to fill that in. Just note that the payer state ID will automatically be populated. And then it's going to say you did it, you went ahead and added it. Now, importantly, this doesn't mean it is filed. This is just added. You still have to go through the process to actually file this. So you're going to go to view those forms, and you can see they're under the unsubmitted tab. So that means they have not been submitted yet. You've created them, but you still actually have to submit them, and you have to file them and send them to the contractor as well. So that's what you can do on this tab, and you can decide how you want to deliver it. So you'll notice on this page that the state filing is grayed out here, and that's because this particular state does not require a state filing for this particular form, and the IRS is going to send that automatically, so we don't need to do a separate state filing. However, if that box is able to be checked, then you can check that to file with the specific state. So because it is via mail, it's going to add on a little bit more money to cover that postage cost. And then you can go ahead and submit. You want to make sure that you've reviewed everything and everything's all good. It's going to show you the breakdown of what you are paying, and then you can go ahead and click Pay Now. And you'll see it's not under unsubmitted anymore. You can go to Manage Forms, and you should be able to see it. And then you can go ahead on that screen, and you have lots of different options for what you can do. If you want to download everything, you can do this in bulk. Go ahead and view the PDF if you want to go ahead and download. And if you're downloading for yourself and for your records, you want to click all copies and download those. But you can also click and download your recipient copies, especially if you want to deliver them yourself versus doing USPS or e-delivery. You can go ahead and download them, and you can send them to the contractors themselves.